go, Daphne and Ashton. Uh-oh. Watch out for the walls. Do you want to push her now? It's okay. Let's turn around. Let's turn around. We'll go the other way. Okay? No.
No, push.
Say please.
Please?
Yeah, that's better. Okay, Daphne, can you push? Yay! Turn. It's hard to turn because you're heavy.
No.
Hey, she can play with that.
I want it.
Daphne, can you put it back? Bring it back. Bring it back, Daphne. Put it here.